Bitcoin situation right now. So currently we still don't have volume, and this is the biggest reason why I'm still bearish on the market, because there is no new money that are coming into the market right now. And this is basically my biggest reason why I believe Bitcoin will go down. And of course there's a multiple reasons. Second reason is the whales, they're playing games. They started selling Bitcoin purposefully, and this is one of the best examples. Mt.Gox sell-off. You can read more about it on Google, but basically this is what they did, and you can actually trace this on the blockchain. This is the actual transactions, how Mt.Gox sell the Bitcoins. You can see the wallets and the exact dates. So as you can see, Mt.Gox they sold till now they sold 38,000 Bitcoins, and you can see they sold just here on the top when Bitcoin was at around $20,000, and they sold over here. And this is very interesting, correlated with the Bitcoin drops. The second sellout was basically over here, when everybody thought that Bitcoin will came back. The third sell-off was also at a very interesting place. Again, when the market thought that the price will go up, and they started dumping Bitcoins. Very interesting. And the last sell-off they had, it's exactly when we had this dip to $6,000. This is very interesting. This shows how people with a couple of hundred Bitcoins can help the price to go down. And of course there is a lot of people who own a lot of Bitcoins, and honestly, if I was going to make probably some move like this, because it's very easy if you have that much amount of Bitcoins. You can easily manipulate the market and buy the lows. So I still believe that they're playing games, and we just need to wait. Just need to wait and see what's going to happen. Another thought I had is why there is no bias right now, even if the whales are dumping. Where the fresh money? And I was thinking about this, and I was always wondering why there's so much money coming like from nowhere. For example, check this out. Last year in May, you probably did, for the people who was in the cryptocurrency back then, we had Bitcoin at a stable price around $1,000. And I'm going to show you the Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin was around $1,000, but suddenly, as you can see this chart over here, money started to came from nowhere, and very, very fast. You can see from $1,000 we went to 2,000, 3,000, then a little bit correction, and then again from nowhere, from $2,000, bam, to $4,000 or $5,000 in a matter of a month. I believe it was like a month. So in a matter of months, one or 2 months, we just doubled the previous gains we had. 1 or 2 months we doubled the previous gains. And then again from September, show to the new all-time high at December. Check this out. So this is even more insane. Like, this is the end of November. So in a matter of 1 month, we tripled the market from, triple the Bitcoin market cap. This is insane. This means that so much money are coming in at once. Why it is happening? I believe that like I believe on a certain extent there is manipulation over here. I mean, rich people, investment banks, like they're putting money at the same time because people are getting hyped. When they see the price goes up, they're more willingly to buy Bitcoin, and that's how they manage to pump it and dump it afterwards. So hopefully, and I think this is my way of thinking, that they just dump it right now and they're preparing for another massive pump. But who knows? You know, they we don't know how they are playing the game. They may even make us wait longer, and the price can actually go back to, I don't know, $5,000 again. So the game is interesting. But me personally, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, guys. So there is always fresh news. Just check this out. There's very good news. The Lightning Network, the rich people are very respectful people. Peter Thiel, which is the co-founder on PayPal, says that Bitcoin is digital gold. There's some another news. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is going to kill the cash. Sierra Leone just ran the first Bitcoin blockchain-based election. So something doesn't. It's not right here. We have only positive news. We have more and more adoption, but the Bitcoin price goes down, which leads me to have thought that it's big manipulation going on right now, and they're just dumping so they can buy cheap and then pump the price. So this is my strategy. I'm going to sell right now, and I'm definitely going to buy at the bottoms, because Bitcoin, in my way of thinking and belief, they can make the Bitcoin price go to $100,000 this year. It's possible. It all depends on their game. Yeah, this is interesting, guys. You can read this about this Mt.Gox sellings on Reddit, and you can also monitor the Mt.Gox wallet on this website over here. Mt.Gox cold wallet, they left with 106,000 Bitcoins more in their wallets, but this is the court decision, so we're waiting the court to decide what's going to happen with these Bitcoins. And I think the next court session is in September. So until September, these Bitcoins are not going to move anywhere. So you can actually track them. You can put your email here, and you can get notified if some of these Bitcoins are moved from here. Because this is a lot of Bitcoins, and the market can easily be crashed if all of these Bitcoins is sell out in a matter of a week or something, or a day. So this is about the whales. I'm going to leave this website in the description. Also, I'm going to leave you probably a link for BitMex, so you can play around with it and get to know, because it's an interesting way to trade. And I saw a lot of people are getting into this this platform over here. So good luck, guys, and remember that Bitcoin is the future. If you think that Bitcoin is going to die, think about evolution. Evolution always finds its way. So have a nice day, guys.